Well, what we are is a startup for automotive repair. We do all kinds of repairs: air conditioning, brakes, suspension, alignments, engine change, transmission change. Basically any needs anybody would have with the automotive repair on their vehicle. We do all types of automotive repairs here, from air conditioning, brakes, tires, oil changes, alignments, suspension, engine exchange, motor change, transmission, filters and service, rear end filters and service. So we try to service everything that's on the auto itself. Jake and I have owned S&L Auto Body for 43 years, and we decided we had this other need to go along with our business and took this venture to open it up. We had clients that wanted to do this, and now we think we're giving a great place to go and a good opportunity for us. It was great that the chamber was able to come out and put this on. It was very nice. We had a very good turnout today, somewhere in there, approximately 50 people, and everybody gets a gift certificate today, a $50 certificate toward repairs. There's snacks and cupcakes and ice cream for everybody to enjoy themselves. Hopefully they'll all become customers. Both Waterford and Clarkston are great communities. The people are terrific, and it makes it fun to work with them.